one that. Yes, the whole part who will be a seven or no only part or the first one ever on command. So first one on command. Almost and almost that's how first one or else when you not back of one.
Abushan for me church munyina akwa basonko edem baras media so ene anwumre ekomo kakra ho fear and panic goes to the man himself ono anim ne ho ya mo obi adine ho ha ne but onim ne ho fear because said the nema no esiko no bibia dana kwai mu bibia tre say no, the battle still remains the Lord. Na ene de Hedi adansi di ahodo ene ebe chiremo. The woman say, at this time that I'm talking, a man for a jump from one carpet to the other, all in the favor of Ibra Dr. Lahaji Muhammad Bawumia. Teams ahodo na omo packing crofo. Yeti a man for kaso munye jumabone enfante Ibra Dr. Bawumia nyina ano. Ene saa nkrofo nyina assign aba Yewura Bawumia camp na ebeye onwa pa because ene ebebo videos ahodo akire mo watie nkrofo a na omo camp bia omo assign wonachi na ya sanso abo videos of people omo ye relevant what them call personalities. One people manyo ma sabio omonso aba abonten e de wonsem abegu ho na bra enya de keto o MPP delegates any MPP fo nyina sa yani afiri pa yani se de asia afiri no eno sunsunso na ene ya hu ne o campaign a ekoso amanfo ahya ase ahu who is for the party and who is doing his personal business. Internam sa suntrama manfo make a sensible choice pa. Choices are more true. Choices are actually MPP for you super. Don't let anybody confuse you. Say Dr. Bawumia intimi when power in 2028. The Abeka Sabi Obwa or Dada. The entire was on Tias Silver Bawumia ebe when the election 2028 and say Amanyo kuna Ghana for koto aba edema won omoye ndisi for no ene bibia beda di say asem bi omo kan ye bia no na ye nkontompo entro bi omo di ye ede kire Ghana for nyina no ene bibia kire say eye nkontompo eye bosire muka ena omoye de omoye ye ene Ghana for bebe koto aba ma ndisi a de ene do omo akoma so ene say ndisi ba aba beye ade bi a ye fe ne 24-hour economy, one job, 3 shift. Sane mani nyene na me no kasei eni ba bia e wo Ghana maimu. And this for ba say omumbo mo they are coming to create job for the people. And na me no kasei Ghana for ni bebre no ana omo wo adwuma ye kro ye yi omo adi ene ya packing krofo e de omo akogu ho. Sane ma we nyina ne 2028 enkrofo be kai asoja fo aye dada won, police fo aye dada won, a teacher fo aye promise won, nurses mahama kan automate post say ono de obeye president a uwie a nursing training automatically na odo akoshe hospital bim. John Mahama bien na no kan kire Ghana for say oba he's coming to complete the agenda 111 said the ebeya obetumi ede akreti nyuma ama the youth and as the nursing trainers no babra ena me no kase de nurse for kro mo awie suku o motifie no papa na ntimi amfa won anko ba bi ambo anko ye adwuma agenda 111 no so anka ye ni da so e ne kire se nka yebetumi de create possible adwuma ede ama wona wo mo awie nursing training no ɛno so na yɛgyae ɛde agu wuram. So this tell you directly say ewura Bawumia na ɔte akonnwa so as a vice president a saa initiatives wo nyina hyɛ ase a na ɛyɛ prosperity ɛde ma amanfoɔ no ana na ɛyɛ nidasoɔ panka borɔfo no yie na ɛyɛ nidasoɔ kɛseɛ ɛde ma amanfoɔ no 2020 tɔmbɛkae ne nyinaa ɔmbɛkae ne nyinaa yɛsi yasoɔ nsuasoa nsa afei ne yɛho deɛ mu eduru enti ebra na Dr. Bawumia ɛwɔ power as vice president no na amanfoɔ nim because Gen Z no yɛdɔɔso amanfoɔ nim the character of the NDC a yɛde anim sɛ ɔmo yɛ incompetent but ɛnɛ obi a na wɔ Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo administration na ohun sɛ deɛ na Nana Addo fa so bu ɔman na ɛna ɔde compare the NDC foɔ yɛ ho a the person will definitely understand sɛ ɛyɛ nokorɛ sɛ MPP amanyɔkuo no ɛna ɛyɛ party bi a sɛ woma na akwanyama no bɛdi akonnwa a ɔmode ntotoyɛ papa ba a ɛtumi ma nnipa dasani wabrabɔ mu ɛsi wo yie ɛkɔ wo yie wabrabɔ mu yɛ hama wo menyaba mpɛ sɛ me no bɛkɔ akyiri yɛn nyinaa yɛnim zipline drone delivery zipline a Dr. Bawumia de baayɛ a yɛde agye amanfoɔ nkwama England foɔ free UK aba Ghana abesua ho adwuma ɛde akɔ England ɛnɛ saa deɛ no England foɔ practice no NDC akɔhwifoɔ no baayɛ ɔmo si daabi ɔmo ani sika ɔmo de betua sɛ bio zipline foɔ ka ma ɔmo to aso yɛ adwuma but at the same time the same government no sika ɔde bɛtɔ pad de ama mmaa enti ɛnɛ Ghana for no wɔn ho ɛne abato ɔmo kɔtoo yɛ Ghana for no wɔn ho yie paa enti si yɛpɛ sɛ yɛnni nkunim deɛ a ne deɛ na ne nyinaa ne sɛ yɛbɛto aba kɛseɛ de ama papa na ɔpromise a ɔmfɛɛdi papa na sɛ ɔka asɛm kyerɛ wo a ɔno na ɔbɛyɔ papa na ɔde ne ho na ɔde ne sika boa amanfoɔ na ɔmfa nwa n'anum ɛto aba ma na tankwa ama bi no yɛbɛhu papa no ne so mfa soɔ na campaign a yɛyɛ saa bere baabi a yɛduru yi amanfoɔ ahyɛ ase esu sɛ Dr. Bawumia nkorɔfoɔ yano ɛya daabi ɛnte saa nkorɔfoɔ bi ahyɛ ase esu sɛ yɛn yano ɛya yɛha adwene yɛma ɔmo peace adentia this time around no yɛantena hɔ ma na yɛte sɛ 2023 a yɛde nsɛm bi no mu di agorɔ a yɛnama no so nti yɛni baa yɛn ho so na amanfoɔ asɛe amanyɔkuo no de akyerɛ Ghanafoɔ enti ɛnɛ ɔmo mmom na ɔmo wɔ abɔnten na ɔmo teateam sɛ Dr. Bawumia nkorɔfoɔ yɛdidi ɔmo atɛm Dr. Bawumia nkorɔfoɔ yɛka asɛm no sɛ deɛ sie no ɛteɛ ɛde kyerɛ wɔn in any case papa na ɔhyɛ ase a na ɔyɛ saa ntotoro asɛm no afei de wɔn sɛ no there is fire coming from the mountains enti deɛ na metumi ayɛ no one say ɔba na ɔbɛ pray victim card say ɔno no ɔnyɛ tribal ɛna ɔnka dabi da papa transna yɛ mɔ kɔmɔ transna yɛ nka wusu na ɔban yɛ nkyerɛ wo trans na aduro na ɔde ma yɛ nom ni 2023 no ɛnɛ yɛ ma obi nom na hwɛ sɛ deɛ sitie ɛno na mo nom no enti mo nka ma nom tum na mo nom ai Ken ɛne ne nkorɔfoɔ Kennethfoɔ ai Ken Routefoɔ mo nka ma no ntum na mo nyɛ den mo nom na ɛno na ɛsɛ fata mo da nkwa ma bi no if indeed 2032 mo nipa no ɔsi ɔpɛsɛ ɔmira mɛgyina wɔn contest Bawumia biem a ɔbaa mo anum kasa ɛbɛyɛ different from what we saw in 2023 ɛno ani yɛ nkɔmɔbɔ yɛn ni asɛm foforɔ bi aka kyerɛ mo but sese ne deɛ yɛkɔ ne boot for boot tèmi yie paa yɛkɔ ne boot for boot ɛntrɔ ne nkontompo bi a mo bɛdi bi a ne ɛba bɛte mo to ɛnyɛ te sɛ last time a obi tum bɛkɛ sɛ yɛkyɛ ne yɛsi ɔngye 800 million dollars na wonsi emfiri a contestant prate no so no ye ntra se ma sa antro no bi ensan beto amanfo timu bi mente na odi si ya yebetwa de tu ama na de wo mu ne sesese no the most consenting is say omo mbekwa akoto aba no omo nim de nti omo koto aba o enkrofo na papa ni tua sika ma wona last 2023 omo say Bawumia from ni tiso nkopem ne nanse no omo nim why they should go and vote and omo nim say adidida eyesene adidi preko enti na obeti video no bi amanfo ababonto omo ka omo anum asem adwuma bɔne a ɔmo ɛyɛɛyɛ ɛde ti a yɛwura Bawumia deɛ nam so nti a ɔmo yɛ saa nnwuma no hwan ɛna sponsor a ɔmo ahyɛ ase a ɔmo ka ne nyinaa enti nso saa ɛna ɛbɛbɔ akyerɛ mo ne yɛakyerɛ mo sɛ Ghanafoɔ ne MPP foɔ yi ɛkwan ne da hɔ turodooto te ɛyere yɛ ho ɛkata yɛni ɛyɛ adwuma a SNL fe say koto abane massively ede ama yewura Bawumia 2028 Dr. Bawumia beba bedi akonwa no so no bedi akonwa no so a emfa ho ne kura bi a wo hyem papa ne so mfaso obenya bi adi na enkwete se nkrofo we ya enne omo abaya tese omo ho na omo ton oman no efa na nkwese nkrofo we ya omo aba ne ya eka omo nko a sabio nkaman na koye omo nko omo dia nye no nti a yeto aba se oman ne mo be ye ha ama obibia enti epenipo obetuma yesa adwuma ne dia ne na nye obi ase yewura Bawumia ono na eye obi a yenim no na yehu ni su ne ba ne hu kwan ofa so a ohihye ne nnwuma enam we sunti amesre o se we delegate 31st January unim wasede 31st January unim wasede na sa we delegate nso na se unim obi o ye delegate a de mesre o enene se fresa nipa na se kone nchen na kire ne se babia ya duru ne no de edikan ene se ye hwehwe obi obetumi ahihye yamanyoko no manase na gina ne nan so because a party na ntumi anyina ne nan so amelde anhihye ne ho from the grass from the downwards level minya bema ye ntumi enye den enni nkonim ema ne yeye enti oni ya akro na okwa akoto aba no ewose saa nipa no okwa onkoto aba no mfama yewura Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia because ono ena ye nipa oba no obedi Ghana man so a ana obedi amanyoko efe na MPP na lima ne nhyehyeye ne nsema waka kire ye no ekire se obetumi aka party no abom ewa ase na party na soni atimi agina ne nan so anyini na yatumi ede abedi nkunim in 2025 miwi akwasi asama ma akwa miwi ose ya ntare wonso ma akwa bapa enti Freddy Gate no na bona amane se pap Dr. Bawumia se oba na oba be yen hyehyeye ama party ba odwene se dabi ye kan wo hyeye party ba odwene se dabi de na wo hwehwe bi wonsa kan party ba bi odwene se sabio ade bi koso e wo bre bi ma na wani nje ho Dr. Semen Kanchiro se oba ode munyina obeka munyina bom e wo nhyehyeye a ode ba no mu eni nti a osere wo se to abama no se de be ya party no ebetumi adi nkunim se de be ya ebetumi ahyehyɛ party ne bio se de be ya party no be ye sabio party no be ye fe na ama sabio enkunimdie atumi abeye de in the 2028. Enti adafo message we na mesrew say fakokoma sabio delegate bia wonim no na hye ne nkuran na hye ne bose so to abama yewura Dr. Bawumia party no ebeye fe daache na maka we yawie no moma yenwuram na yentie ensem yentie papa we ne nkomodi bia odi ne dabi na yemmra studio so na yemeto ansem so yenkom ne sesia
so mrei on etimi kana sempi
nkwasiafo pa ma Jimmy MPP for Jimmy me who be stupid people. I don't know why I belong to that political party.
Ghana for no pe obi a amamuo no o kana sempi
Papa, we made a mistake. Now I'm repeating August 26. Allah, I swear to God.
Ghana for no pe obi a ne huhu ebeto omo no mbeye adwuma no so.
Egypt has some to be created. They are easy. They cannot. But then I tell you, 2025, they are going.
Ghana sika ye nyina ye de wo. So okrofo timi de ye say tam etimi nka fisi.
Looting this country as if there's no tomorrow. Why? Who really cannot your locality? What do you mean? The youth of this country are not working. Now intimidating and control. I will put my life on the line and defend.
Party. Yakoka party no ni big wase. Yakoka party no be say. Yakoka party no ni big wase.
You are foolish. I'm now Bamche, president, who person advice it is stop at him. They are foolish. If be president, I go chop. If be vice president, I go chop. It be my work, and good work that will give me money to eat. Go to hell with your president and your vice president today. Me ya majuma pemisika, and I will say only pana Jimmy Amontiana, Mosimi Yanka.
Yes, etiabusia sebe so yam people ni na enipa o transit to me kan sem we fa o party ho atimi pa papa panyini we o to me transit kan sem we and the dusty o de koso ai koso pa enipa o to me transit kan sem we fa wa ankasa o party ho den ena ema o rehemu se o koto aba man se o medi sa party na nim na all kasa na okan sembi e wa bebuom I say it no be president where I go chop majuma papa bi na meya menya sika I was about contract ya MPP appoint be man na hu hia enti ntokwa na papa na ekunu nyina no it was all about contracts. It was not about your concern. And maybe I don't know why you want him to lead your party. And I'm cheap promises. And DC type of making what them call campaign. And you were a Kennedy Japan at the end campaign. Now I'm people for a year in DC for. And transmayam for cheap propaganda and make create na make new man and maybe one. What are you going to create? Huh? State factories are not there. And are we going back to the era of Kwame Nkrumah, whereby the Ghana was building companies and the management were not working? Why? Well, the entrance you can papa when you soon buy near. O party now also be the animal mu party no. Or believe say everyone in the party is a cheap sheep. So be to me the migosika and I mean migosika ayedai akombense o amo ayedai watu abaman but nya sa na ebeko afie doctor weni awie for awie ne pa na eyame de pa say across the whole country no the MPP delegates has actually understand many things and mpayimfo so omo yemfa ne say gina bretitire e MPP party no omo ate ase say see a person when the party we can do without Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia. In fact, says ya menoka say it is clear. Say every district and a constituency you would Bawumia akobiano. It is clear. Say a man for etu dinachi. A man for dinachi. A man for support no. Not because of Sawamo Bisco, but because of GDA our mo nimu. Na ene medo ba ko videos ahodo bim. Na watie nipa mo kasa. Uyam pipinia. Let these messages get deep into your mind. Na jode ho say adentia mpanyfo omo party no mu omo woni de omo ya amanyofo no omo nyina ase yemfa Bawumia mra. Bisa ho sa question no and the dusty. Bisa wo ho adentia. Na yen hyase na yen fam firi ohini bi ai ohini bi aba abontene abeka nsema mu ede pa ohini bi aba abontene da bi yen fam firi we your boy da bi yen fam firi papa we what is the ohini the chief what is the chief what yen fam firi ha
doctor, a Bibia say the picture. Our videos, Bia no Bia Bompam, or you Bia Odu. I'm a friend that you now now a pro who said, maybe you're here. And then I said, "Okay, to know number one, open once, Mammy, Papa, I am with you. May find the money and red of ours a king. The seven, Sabi, it's your agyapong, I don't know. Nyansa, good woman. But we are never far. Who to me be king? To myself, the CIA for myself, 31st January. No, my name from so. Na ya so ya ba ma iye bia wonu ya sabeka
abusianfo intino yo empanfo a omo 1pp part mo omo aya amanyo semache ati ase omo kan chifa papa yi ho wati asema empanfo omo ti part ni mo omo aya amanyo semache na omo ahu papa wei abra na tumi kita ne nsam bi ase ye kan asem bi ese when you want to see the rare character, opeso hu nipa dasani. Nisu ne ban pa. Nisu ne ban pa. Manisika eni to me. Eho no be hu nisu ne ban. Enti Dr. Bawumia to me when bi wadi to me pen. The second gentleman of the whole jurisdiction. Enye to me ketwa. Say Dr. Bawumia aye second gentleman of the land so the anache sika so the papa no obi na on kan wona num enti so obi a wanya saa tumi we nyina na stila enipa dasani hu enipa na omo hye na simple omo hu se papa we ne ho brase odwene nipa ho odwene oman koso de ono de hwehwa ne se oman be koso a adenti a wo a wote nchen wo se enye nokure na mom wo koto abade ama obi obeka nche so ye hiani ka wa no tum enkasa wone hwan yet party na wo he party ne ye de ye ya kamfo ene nsemfo why papa na o kasa no na o she Dr. Bawumia si o beti asema na oka ti asema oka Dr. Nhunu amuna nimtiada Dr. Nhunu ankondoto ne ho as somebody a omu no da even though he was under him enti obi atumi ni sika ekita no na otimi sanso ye ne ho humble edwere nipa ho na enye pese menkum nyade na mbomeye oman ne nkoso ne nipa ne nyina yie yo na odwene enipa wo bedi wanim e wo amanyoko ma ebeye den na amanyoko no enkoso na enyina ne nan so na so oba no ba bedi oman ne soso dia na chese saye titrew bi ebeba ye nyina ya brabo. Hear me now. Na no se mote ya papa ba kono Mr. Sikani ofane say Tina Paura Tina Pane Sadi Ura o say ono no wa sheda na onkasa no wa sheda na onkasa na se nyesa pa nka nsema obeka no e kire wo se enna papa we petumi no e na wa bere ne ho ase na ne nsaka tumi se wom mowu atemudie na na odidie no afempo na obehya ase afei e na obeye ne kese dwene ho bio se da bia wokoto aba obeto abapa na obeyi ni papa mana yeden abedi wanim na se de ye ka no emma bibia anye sika emma sika ni wanim emma enne kakra bia obedi nti onsisa sebio umman ne wo amanyoko nkoso enkoje 1000 Ghana dwene umman ne ho dwene wa manyoko no ho yewura ose tutune na asem na me bode na paja me mu ose ma wasante semu hiao ma wa mpp semu hiao na dwene enipa obo betumi ama party no asori agira ne nan so na wabeye krabehwe Nasabio, the youth in the society, a school for the tertiary institution students, you know, abubenya interest in our party. Hear about me, he like grooming, make us a grooming or for them to become somebody in future. And to nearly the be say no do party anymore. All the academics, or more so more school munyansa or more swing or man in the phone or munina or more do party nachi because Dr. Bawumia has this character of grooming and also this character of bringing people together. It be about me abema. I didn't hear. Only say young koto abama papa we no mera. Na omeka party no rules no mom na on create massive support from the background na yenyina nka homom 2020 ne enkoje tumi me ameti ameka say wo a wutie me am pipini dia na ohwehwe tumi na ohwehwe enti say obi a wakobi pen wako akono bi pen ma sabi ohamu nchichemu aduanan baako akiri pom enson omo ato abama no even though say in semfo a yeka fa papa ehu nyina enipa dom we nyina san like to abama na wo sie nsesa no yensa ne nkofa hwan yenkofa obi a ode maasi di omo atem yenkofa obi a sabio ne idia ehye jam na ohu di owo yenkofa obi ono so ono no ontumi nka the sitting government ho asem yenkofa obi ono ka che say ontumi criticize John Mahama Now campaign e be no kwan best no be for so campaign in 2027 e dey akọji to me. Abra ye kese John Mahama ya ade. Abra ye kese John Mahama is the best president. Abra yan kese best yan kese ye party no president or about 2016 2024 omo ho modere omo ya akoromfo. Is that how you want to sell your party to the Ghanaians? Untumen sell no samani ye. Enti e chiro pefe se sa campaign na papa ba akono ye no e ya bro campaign. Anida ho bone pa e na oyo. Because only message kro be campaign upe party obedi animu no o the party ne legacy and the be campaign akopetu me. Na wo anka se wo se party no ye legacy nye nti wo de nkroma legacy na ye wo de. Na MPP flag bearer wo kogina amansan anim aka kire won se MPP amanyoko no 2016 2024 omo amobra wa na woka. Enti asembe no be kan chegana for mo de agina so to ba MPP. Ana wo kwa kofa won testo na wate agu fam na amena na. Na wo se Ghana for ye mo. Enti abusia Mohammed Mutale mo akwaba. Easy to detect say if you want to media, there is only one candidate among the 5 aspirants. Obetinaji to media brain. Abusia like video na shema mnenko yanim. There is only one, and that one is Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia. Emaya Nadal, don't allow people to mislead you. Don't allow people to divert your attention. Emaya nsesan wa adwene sabio ade a wafa to team so doctor na ebe to me adi nkunima maye. Because it is clear and it is visible. Na yanko yanim na yentie mpemfo no so bi ba akon no so de nsem abetudwa na yento aso tie.
Your Excellency Ajia Samira Bawumia One compelling for constituency executives, polling station executives, area coordinators, former DCE, sorry. All executives. Na yenim de emodro yari ataso say tai yewura Dr. Alhaji Bawumia achi ensiomo ewiemo yatanaji eni penu no wo hwe hyehyɛ ya Dr. Bawumia e de wo fifi Dr. Bawumia enie okay free asie enum enai Dr. Bawumia enie ato enti ya Dr. Bawumia ekura fifi ade na from Jubilee House awo kwaye makanini Dr. Bawumia ena toso miensa enti duru ha okura uduru ya na wani aboso na wakọ akwakoto aba owani suade
Yes, enti papa ne se eyaja oba ene honhom kronkron. Eyaja oba ene honhom kronkron ena yedi kogina so ato aba because what papa no can say say all kind and nipa mo ballot paper no so a from down no ubenya doctor ewo mfimfini from top ubenya doctor Bawumia ewo mfimfini and a friend say you are being obtained to become the president or the leader of the party because bibia kire say untumi nsan na ho emmopo ene as a political party called MPP and win election without say Dr. Bawumia nebeko ye kan MPP president so yenya Dr. Netoso Miensa in coming 2028 ye kwachi share ne numbers so a or number 3 na say bibia e make ne clear say the man is the person to win the elections for the MPP party if actually we want power. We a political sense. Political sense pan no. Because there is nowhere in the country ofana okese Bawumia obinim no. Babia ni ho. Ene sabio amanfo kura da so dwene say Dr. Bawumia na vice president. Na anya bia look, watch the difference. The names in the country Dr. Bawumia the most formidable presidential candidate for the MPP. They say Dr. Bawumia vice president. No, now your body ding every day. And then Mami Odende, Women's Bank. Oh, hey. Women Bank, no. Ewo he fa sa maame no wo he wayira enti obi a o maane tumi ni kakra bi no tumi di shine ye o tumi di ye adwuma pa o tumi di gi din globally enye nationally enye nationwide globally. Dr. Bawumia ne vice presidency no o tumi di gi din otumi di jidin ama wiase amansan nyina behu no se o compare no to the maame na o to so ye baatan a o ye Ghana baatan na o hwe ni nyuma a o yo a kese it tells you say Dr. Bawumia is somebody a Nyankopon hata so and aye den ascend the abreye. Because the doctor to me the sa office na ma timun and neno edgy ni din to the point to say every Ghanaian know who he is there. Ne ma ti ho ye nim the oyo obi nti ni din a. It just a doctor is someone so the Ghana 2 meaning in our shed in summer he will excel. Obey the NTB da. Obey manabro so. Obey kona nim ni din ebe nante nim de na ewo ni mu no ensa yo afei mpo na wahya ase odini nim de na be ye niema odini tumi na ye de be ma no ebe support ni nim de na de aye niema ama ye ho atoye because onyanya tumi mpo na ye nya ne so mfa so bebre sei dia ene mi wi aba ma mi sister mi panyini mi maame menana so the to me my papa we ya there na on your mouth there and on your mouth na enye nkrofo we ya ene omunim the importance of medical drone delivery system tio Ghana nkura bebrebe villages ahodo a car kwan enye papa na babia car kwan so kura po wana distance ewom enye ketwa na yenya the majority leader of a government business team bet na parliament kan kire Ghana for say adenti edi drone edi moje koma amanfo abena ye car awurade momento abakese mfama Dr. Bawumia nsem na nkrofo no de omoye no aban mu no ekire pa so omoye nkurasefo ba bia na wiase kɔ no uhie kurasini na wadi wani mo kurasini oye kurasini ye wo no na brabo mu nyina onim sɛ yɛde yɛti ne sansuo ekofie yɛde yɛti ne so sansuo kofie enti ɔno no sɛ oka sɛ opɛ sɛ yɛma ensuo mmra amanfo fie a onim sɛ ɛnyɛ necessity ɔno hu ne sɛ yɛ luxury line so benya nsuo wɔ fie because ekurasi ni enti ehia nimdifoɔ modern legends binom te sɛ Dr. Bawumia no nimdeɛ na kwadrem saa nipa nom na ehia to moma focus a lot on Dr. Bawumia because he is a unifier so oyobi a obediga na man so a onye nchichemu in fact and then this amanyo koi wow so na menya adwene fere okurom na bisa se mu district executive kubisa ne din ebebo ne din na ofiri sirem accept him yepa all the MCE for all the DCE for Morgan and Ne and then DC omunyina yesiremfo who internal minister or yesiremni who internal minister yesiremni you police IGP or yesiremuni ye kan ye be bre adentia and this for ye ntiti mu ne pai move for and this and this your power. The power belongs to only few people, only one tribe or two tribes. Akamfo ni asantefo ayekoto abato do demand this do send the kita position titire obi e Ghana man ene but Dr. Bawumia ba sa nema we bia ye hu he will share the to me among all of us no bia anya bibi afri na mamuom enti mo mayen support papa yi na se mpanyfo mo aye amanyo se mache empo ene edi papa yi ho sabio adanse ente sa adenti a yenom afei na yesu amanyo sem mi evansan kama mo akwaba yenom afei ana amanyo sem ewura yemu afei na ya hyase a yenyini afei na yenya 40 years afei na yenya 30 years afei na yenya emfie bi ekonanim adenti a yentie yempanfo adwena omode kasa kire yen na mom no yebeye sikani bre yebeye mi ya Richard apia me akwaba yebeye sikani bre ene jiko dibinti asey yeman yede yeman akoche NDC for because Canada Japan mu yi ni se flag bearer ma menka ni penalty 2028 NDC is going to win. Second Japan by the flag bearer of the MPP party Fatu Timu say ubetumi aba power bima NAB na 2042 because Canada Japan can never overcome the NDC ane omoti abaimu. I mean can you pray na tin yepa on to me overcome them but Dr. Bawumia wo level bi wo grand na papa we man ho so no kese wo ye campaign lectures nsema NDC for Kenya Dr. Bawumia sa mo lie na kese wo church no mo niam anima every Ghanaian will understand say indeed you need a competent president or foresight in every sector of the country. Na nyenne. Peso ko fa papa we ba na obie na no a mebie nyuma ye be ye anwa ye be ye tuna ye be ye casaiva ye be ye letano ne hwan abra NDC for be fa MPP for domum in 2028. Eno kura se MPP for timinya 17% kura pona na yankopon na boye. Because Canada Japan hon sema ewo wiase untumi nkama ne nsi Canada Japan there NDC for the omo kanye the NDC for kanye says Canada Japan be the flag bearer of the MPP omo nye campaign radio stations are hold their organ on beto ni nyina no more duplicate and sama Canada aka na de ya me ya ne say Kennedy Japan baso obedi MPP anima mumisa me say ode which political party legacy and a beye campaign, because according to Kennedy Japan, the past administration money homo drama ya kromfo enti okonkrofo ni ma de ahyem na obeka akiro monto abama a party na ya kromfo na ensa medical na so ana. And this is for tapes no go ho omo twa no man ka message kakra na mo next video. Richard appears Kennedy Japan is not fit for the president because he talks too much, and if you talk too much you become a liar. And a good one. Evans and Camerson the comment. I say MPP is the only party that thinks about the poor NDC supporters, because most of the NDC strongholds are very poor but ungrateful beings. I really concur with you, because NDC ni opa fakotare gukotare amani ko wura ne danim na toka amano uye denya obeto abama NDC ubetumi aka wanu mu nsem nyina. NDC ni will never vote for MPP because omono they see the party NDC as asore. NDC romo believe NDC asore, you know, so they don't think of changing. They don't think of changing their terms for a better life. Yanto asile nko nemti video fufuro. Ye wura bi ye frene anodom pre wakasa yenti ne kasa na emra isia. Yes, enti enipa bia ne obetumi asai di onyankopon ayeden ahira no. Wei any message a sabio yewia panyini ano dompre ese yemmo ma MPP delegates Montias say Dr. Bawumia is already been ordained as the next leader of the party and the future president of the republic. If it's Yankopon na shira no. As a Yankopon so de na shira no so de o se yenka. O se yenka se Yankopon na shira ne dia. Ene e o se yenti ase so se o tamfo entumi ensesa de Yankopon o shira no. O wieye e na o de message we Emma MPP delegates Muntie na Emra Studios.
Easy.
you say, easy and ready. Now, I go to a gun of some year or what I did now. They will for the lawyer penny. She could be a lanty. Now, now, you are touching a castle. You might be a bruni. It's a naked pool. You will put another in one camera for your own, and there's a put another.
Yena yati asema yemia anodom preka ye. Ose emani nya onwa sese bio Dr. Bawumia ye defeat, 56% against 41%. Na ye kan semfa no so ontumi nye president no si jai e ntro because saa na ye ka fa na nado danko akufo ado ho. Saa na ye kan ye anim gwase se ya na edigu yewura anado danko akufo ado ho reso ena oyeche bi o tiadodo ena hwan ne hwan en kwase akeka sa mo fanche me franchises mo yeah. Perika sana hwana bem ni e jagu iba sakamani amia ya asmana meka enti yewura anado nso ye se ni din ya kadian sene mfata fa ne ho ye di ntrogu ne so ye kadian na enye possible fa ne ho ye kan ya kan se nanado enum wi nyina egu ne so and this for 2 years kama asofofo eba abonten ebe hye nkomfo oh bless you can do your campaign against Dr. Bawumia. Now so nyam pipini. Why? Ubetimi your campaign at Dr. Bawumia. And it say nyam pipini. Because so nyam pipini, ni akwa akotwaba. Now candidate ya lusu. Now say ntu ko campaign at Dr. Bawumia. Unyam pipini. Uyo obi a wafu na odena. Onte amanyo asemase. Onte amanyo ku ase. Aye. Today you can keep on. Na wo twensha ase kura na your campaign na tia Dr. Bawumia. Ena na meka no. Mo se mo betimi awe nkyene boto aduasa. De Nyankopon hye na wahira no. Ena na no anodom preka kire wo no. De Nyankopon hye na wahira no. Mo nwe boto enkyene boto aduanan ahasa ene aduasa. Mo nwe doctor eba be president of Ghana. Na the moya in 2023-2024 no and MPP for na to mo ho asese na it was something that was not needed at all. It is already say you can still go there and do your anti-MPP campaign and I'm second the Japan ya ntoba mana then ana me de when we say mo yesi na ma atemu die ya firi manu maba ye kwa akotoaba akoyi mi na ba be di party anim wo se wo pe obi me so me se me pe obi na esesa na tie dia enipa dodo na kire e me di party na nim ya kwa akoto aba na nipa dodo na akoto aba na de ama de meme pe na wo se se de ye ya nye wo de wo pe no na enwini ye ntino koye campaign tia na bra e kire se unye party ni wo ya NDC ni bi ana se wunnim amanya osem as wonti amanya osem ase nessa wonti amanya osem ase oti amanya osem ase a asem wo ya wo kai bress eye yenka ne se senkura ne sika na otwi kasam we eye political yenka ne se otwi kasam ade a yes traditionally enya accepted Oh, a political abomination pana woka. Sasa we are a political abomination. It is a untiaman yosemase. Ah, now breast could also what choice. I mean the new what choice. Hey, can Agyapong nemo support this, you know. Mumubinum. Ayana atemu die mompese be pamosoda because sembina moka. Here na ye Jimmy in political point of view. Enti se yakoto abana se wo Kennedy Agyapong no wene a. Second ewene a enipa 41% population of more Ghana omoye die hard supporters of Dr. Bawumia. So mo so ameto aba ma onipa na mo be ne den. Mo de mo kasa te se di diffam mo di diffam to. Mo amento aso na me nkomena nkrofo ekura mo ho yahe. Yes, enti we are dealing with issues that are very important. See, a media, apart from Dr. Bawumia, nobody can secure the power for us. Yenti another message. Na we are the shocking part of the message. Abro, na what tie bibi. Breast tie. Enkrofan no motise won 2023 obi say we join Dr. Bawumia be tie nyansasema oka. Na fa bi two team. Yanko na mra sesia na nkan comment kakra na ye more last video yemfa bibia mra na wie ye
chama no pelu fa mo ba ye adofa abusafesie na disha ye shia me jina ha ma the church of Pentecost as what is the pastor Force and the executives and the presiding and the sakwa and the
enti so tie ya Dr. Bawumia na hon sempa na edi ne ho adanse wan fankojina ba bia nka nkyira manfo so wabo Pentecost fo mo asi o mo dan ho na nso no ye di ne ho adanse se adwuma wa ye di ama Pentecost asori fo ne ye wura bi ne ya nka yatinu ajezira nyina hey doctor nyankopon shiraw yan ka messages kakra ne mo last video miwia ye frɛ no Sami Jasi Ose from Hamburg. Why is it that Kennedy Japan supporters are saying Ghanaians are not ready to allow another northerner like Bawumia to lead the country again? A tribal into Omukasa. Aye. Mimia Parke once good evening, bro. Ras Media. Parke Mwakwa Pa. Miriam Ivan Sankama said Ken would have been dismissed from the NDC for saying his idea or his idol is Nkrumah. But because we have useless leaders at the executive, because we have the executive, useless executives, my brother. Yes. Because Sankrofono Motiono, a bit to say Justin Kodia there. Minima so I'm in country. No. $1 say if you go to the voter region, all you can see is Banchi, Kakra, Banchi, Krakow, Apere, and NDC posters. And then there are some NDC, a voter for the NDC supporters. So what I'm found, the party now, they will still support their own because they don't even know where else to go. Na yento aso video ba ko bia beto mensa simbo video ya na de bibia ba na wie ye yemia ba ko bia kan sem bia kire say the delegates are ready to change to bring Dr. Bawumia to stabilize the party de tiasem amokai
23 ewo community center ho mi showdown ho na many prepare ma mi ejumatia yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia mi radio presenter or one of the biggest stations of Volta region. Me a campaign tiani sama ni lusu northdown. Me a campaign already lusu tiani sama ni lusu northdown. Na yeba bato nunsu na meni soja wa ha. Ba di ba ku pena mi kai yese. 1996. Ya yes ordinance ya President Kufu ya mane si kwansu da. Na nado dan kwa Kufu ado ya mane 3 times. Na minimu ni papa we aye etia mi adipa. 2020 mi facilitate grade money eduma grade family so mi number go one leg na nieti ni se papa ika se on the welfare beba na kwekwa di pass mi go di 1000 Ghana eti na mi welfare kakana ka we pipi mi ka be kano enye ye da medi division eti ko ti so be wini eti mi do ya ka we share
enti se mimia ba mimia be mautia afiwe no ye nkonte sa afra foforo na amanfo ekodi 1000 ne 2000 achi na omo ato abade etia Dr. Bawumia no because the first fool is not a fool but the second fool is very foolish guy enti omo na omo koto ababone a enam 1000 Ghana omo koje ya sabre no mo omo je na omo ho ye omo de no omo ko ofie no omo hu se within a shorter possible time na omusika no asa so omusika na sana say aso nem faso mawo enti enade people are going to vote for somebody or the dabia nkoso ebeba omo abrabom people are going to vote for somebody obama wona abrabo ajira ne nan so ewo dabia na mom no enkonko yese dinawu na asa dabi eninted Kennedy Japan belu suo de me assembly o me se menka me twema 35 December aba campaign a manfo bi me ye na ye kwa mo ahyeda o madona ma campaign na some aspirants binom across the country no Kene Japan unti amanyo semase. You will regret. You will regret. A day before the election, you will hear. Ubeti de besie. Yeto abansi, I will come here and tell you the truth. Eti amanfo ato mo ho say whatever they did, you know. Yomo ye bia ne. Omo ye mistake because they were not supposed to follow. They were not supposed to follow Bragadan, the Biaodin, Trojan, and Numkandi Unim just to destroy the image of the party. This is a month for near Bomoswa. They are going to show Japan power in 2026, 31st January. Ombache kukromiti to me. Unyantewe, and never be a doctor, Bekobia. Some man for a cross carpet, ya, a crack. Or do chim crow for a bar. Or say ya Kwabre Japan grow for ba, Kenen Japan grow for ba, Kwabre Japan. The end Kennedy will be sad. He will never regret. Because who party ultimately seconds and fun with it.
They say, when it's me can SMP.
Jimmy and people for Jimmy, me will be stupid people. I don't know why I belong to that political party.
Ghana for no to be a memory or can I say PP?
Mistake. Now I'm repeating August 26. Allah, I swear to God.
Ghana for no to be a better or more on the age.
Ethiopia has all three criteria. They are easy.
They cannot.
But then I tell you, 2025, they are going.
Ghana is a idea. So, Crawford to me, the say, Tam, it means looting this country as if there's no tomorrow so much. Who really cannot get your government? What do you mean? The youth of this country are not working. Now intimidating and control. I will put my life on the line and defend party. You can't party in any big wassy. You can't party in a bessay. You can't party in any big wassy.
You are foolish.
I'm now Bamche, president who personal advice it is stop at him. They are foolish. He be president, I go chop. He be vice president, I go chop. He be my work, a good work that will give me money to eat. Go to hell with your president and your vice president today. And I was the only panel Jimmy Amontiana. Mojimi Yanka.
Devusia, Papa we na sekoto abama no man we do party adi. Kena Japan no crofo monye serious. Monye serious so ama ewo ba bia. Abusia fo me de mbesi a na makra mo. Ye be se hia ochina. Ai na me mfa ko. Mo ma ye nyina